Hi everyone. Today we have discussed some of the points of the chapter Rural Local Self Government. Now, after discussing the point importance of the Gram Panchayat, we have discussed here some of the points about to be the block samiti. Basically, how the what is the block samiti? We have first of all the describe here, and after that the compositions and the functions of the block samiti. You know that the other name of a block samiti is also known as the Panchayat Samiti. What is it? It is also known as the Panchayat Samiti. Or basically, block samiti works at a block level. The village panchayat, you know that the looks after the affairs of the village, but the many of a time what's happening, you know that it is not able to be the resolve all type of the problems, and for this they require to be the help of the villagers or the villages. What's happening? Sometimes it is not able to resolve all the problems for this, so that's why they require to be the help of the villages. In this process, what's happened? Several villages are the group together and to form a block. Remember the point. In this process, what's happened? The several villages are a group together and to form of a block. Now the village panchayat are a group together. The village panchayats are a group together and to form a block samiti. What is formed? To form a block samiti, and or its other name, you know that very well. I have firstly described that it is also known as the Panchayat Samiti. Now the Panchayat Samiti or the block samiti, both are the same things, you know that very well. It is the link between the local Gram Panchayat. It is the link between the Gram Panchayat and the Jila Parishad. Now come to be the point. In a meaning of the Panchayat Samiti, if we are discuss here some of the point, that is the meaning of the Panchayat or the block samiti. Okay, Panchayat or the block samiti. First of all, we clear the point here. The Panchayat Samiti is at the intermediate. The Panchayat Samiti is at the intermediate body and which coordinate. The Panchayat Samiti is an intermediate body and which coordinate with whom? The activities of all the village panchayat. Basically, the meaning of the Panchayat Samiti, that is the point has been given about. So this. So if we talk here, the meaning of the panchayat or the block samiti, these are known as by the different the names in the different state. If we are talking here to Panchayat Samiti or the block samiti is named in one by one. If we have the describe here the different names of the different state. If we have talking here about to be the Uttar Pradesh, in Uttar Pradesh, what is known as the Panchayat Samiti? You know that in Uttar Pradesh, basically it is known as the Kshetra Samiti. What is? It is known as the Kshetra Samiti in Uttar Pradesh. Now, if we talk here in Madhya Pradesh, okay, in Madhya Pradesh, it is known as the Janpada Panchayat. Janapada Panchayat. Okay. After that Madhya Pradesh, if we talk here about to be the Gujarat. Okay. After that the Madhya Pradesh, if we talk here about to be the Gujarat, So in the Gujarat, it is known as the Taluka Panchayat. What is it? It is known as the Taluka Panchayat. Okay. After then Gujarat, if we talk here about to be the Andhra Pradesh, then Bihar. Okay, in Andhra Pradesh, then Bihar, and the Maharashtra, it is known as Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra. It is known as the Panchayat Samiti or the Block Samiti. Panchayat Samiti. Okay, so we have a discuss here. The block or the Panchayat Samiti are known as the different name into the different state. So that is the point about to be the Block Samiti. Now come to the point about to be the composition of the Block Samiti. Now if we talk here about to be the point, the composition of the Block Samiti, okay, so lots of the points have been given about to be the composition of Block Samiti, but we have discussed here some of the points. First of all, we know that very well here the Block Samiti consisting of the sum of the points which I have discussed on the writing right here. First of all, the Sarpanch of the village Panchayat. It is a composition. Sarpanch of the village Panchayat are also included in it. Okay. In the second point, it is given that the block development officer, who is here block development officer. Now, it's a short form. If we talking here, the block development officer, that is BDO. It is the short form of the block development officer. Now, in the third point, it is given that in the composition, the chairperson of the town area committees, if any may be, they have also including or the composite of the Block Samiti. In the third number point, it is given. Now, in the fourth number point, it is given that the members of the parliament and the state legislatures are also representative the block or the including in the Block Samiti. Next point given that about to be the some members of the scheduled caste or with the scheduled tribes and about to be the backward classes, they are also including in the composition of the Block Samiti. Next point given about that the women appointed on the basis of the seat, basically which has been given for the reservation of the women, they are also including into the composition of the Block Samiti. So these all are the points given about to be the composition of the Block Samiti. Now the member of the Block Samiti elect a chairperson and a vice chairperson. Who elect the chairperson or the vice chairperson in the Block Samiti? So remember that point, the member of the Block Samiti. The member of the Block Samiti, member of the Block Samiti appointed to the chairperson or the vice chairperson of the Block Samiti. Now the next point which is given or the which we have discussed here, that is about to be the function of the Block Samiti. Okay. Next point which we have discussed here about to be the functions functions of block samiti. Okay, so first of all, the point number 1, it is given that it ensured the fund from the government for the block development program. From where the funds has been come? So it ensured the fund from the government of the block. Ensure the fund. Okay, it ensured the fund from where? From the government for the block development program. Fund for the block development program. Now come to the second point. That is given that it is act as a coordinating agency. Block Samiti is act as a coordinating agency between the village panchayat and to be the Jila Parishad. Between whom? It acts between the village panchayats, between the village panchayats and the Jila Parishad. And the Jila Parishad. Okay. So remember the second number point. It acts as the coordinating agency between to be the village panchayat and the Jila Parishad. Now the next point given about it coordinate the development and the welfare. It coordinate the development and the welfare activities of the block relating for which purpose? To the agriculture, to the public health, and the lots of what it is also including in here, that is about to be the cottage industries, about to be the water supply, about to be the sanitation, about to be the public health and the primary education. These all are the function of the block samiti to coordinate and the development to be the welfare, the activities of the block relating to be the programs. Okay. Now in the next point, if we have discussed, and that is given about that it the supervises to be the working of the village panchayat. It supervises the working of the village panchayats, and also it gives the approval for the higher product, for the budget proposal. Okay, so these all are the functions of the Jila Parishad. Now in a short way, if we have discussed about to be the function of the Jila Parishad, function of the block samiti, look one by one. Then it is divided into the 3 categories. In which categories? 3 categories. In number 1, that is the civics facilities. That is the civics facilities. Okay, that is about to be the civics facilities. Civics facilities and the development functions. Development functions. Okay, civics facilities and the development functions. Now, in the second point, it is given about to be the supervisory functions. Supervisory functions. And in third point, it is given about to be the delegated function. delegated function. So these all are the functions of the block samiti. Understood? Now, in the next video we have discussed about to be the Jila Parishad. That's all for the today.